ladies and gentlemen, the heart-wrenching story of Gaza is not different. 52,000 Palestinian children, women, young boys, elderly people, teachers, doctors, engineers, workers have been martyred. And as I speak, their blood is still spilling on the streets of Gaza. I think in contemporary history, there isn't a more heart-wrenching episode than this one. I wonder when to these atrocities. And this barbaric act on the part of Israel has to be condemned with fullest force. And again, together, Turkey, which has always, Tayyip Erdogan, my brother, has always led such very noble causes. And not only the Muslim world, but the global world appreciates President Tayyip Erdogan's leading role to provide voice and strength to suffering humanity. And so has my very dear brother Ilham Aliyev. And so has Pakistan. And today, I'm standing before you, my very dear brothers and sisters, that today we have to raise our voice and raise it to a pitch, to a level that the entire world can hear the voices of Turkey, Azerbaijan and Pakistan, that in the name of God, ceasefire must be put into place in Gaza sooner rather than later. In the name of humanity, killings of our brothers and sisters in Gaza must stop as of now. In the name of freedom, fair play and justice, our Palestinian brothers and sisters must be given the right of self-determination according to two-state vision, which is broadly endorsed by the entire world.